my channel. For my mommy. Have skirt. Have bowl. Have my distance to my hair. My mommy not buy for me, only for my. My mommy not buy for me, only for Harriet, and also for Fosa, like Boo Boo, and it's fair.
See my boy, today was his last day in kindergarten, you know. That's why he's dressing like a gentleman. And the gentleman is crying. What happened? Efosa, what do you want? You want Labubu? Let me see your face. Let me see your face now. Or you already say you should take Labubu. You don't want Labubu?
Careful, it costs much.
You want Labubu? Or you come and bear. Let's see Harriet Labubu. Ah, it's cute. Let me see the name. Wait.
I think hold this.
So guys, I need to go and bathe them now. We just came back from kindergarten. And she's over. Where is their kindergarten stuff? Where did you keep it? You see kindergarten things, you left it here. You were here playing game. Where is the portfolio? Where is this one? Is a Fosa?
Yes, just want to my bag.
So guys, we bring all their things in kindergarten today because I think this one is a Fosa portfolio. We are bring everything back. This one is for Treasure or Fosa. I think this one is for Fosa.
Yes.
So we brought all their things. Christopher, bring them. Keep it well. Arrange. You have to arrange your room. Just look at your table. So guys, I need to bathe them now. So Efosa and Treasure, you need to bath. Who is baby of the house? Who is baby of the house? Efosa. 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 Are you baby of the house? No. You are not baby. You are a big boy now. Okay, who is big boy in the house?
Me.
Oh yeah, big boy, come and shower.
Gentlemen's first. Gentlemen's first.